Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Electric cleaning brush from SilverCrest. Versatile, multi-purpose tool for removal of stubborn household dirt. 90 minutes of work with IPX5. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have the cable, Type A to Type C, with a length 1.5 meters. You need to charge this unit. The manual, starting with a flat brass head for cleaning large flat areas like floors and walls. Very easy to connect. Press and it locks. The on-off button. Red light, first it is green, next red, that means you need to charge this unit. We have soft elements here, and here at the front, at the bottom, the indicator, Type-C port. Next we have the domed brass head, use it for cleaning corners, joints, wash basins and shower bathtubs. It is very hard. Compare it with this one. Next it is the conical brass head to clean uneven surfaces like wash basins, taps and hard to reach places such as crevices, corners and joints. Softer. I think it is the same like this brass. This is the harder. And we have the cleaning pot, used for cleaning pots, pans or hobs with caked on. Hard to remove dirt. Very easy to remove. You can wash it and clean it. Nice, so easy to install and remove. And we have the extension rod, maximum 1 meter, very convenient. So unfold, rotate and it locks. Same in here, very sturdy, rotate and lock. Nice. And you can connect that here at the back. We have in this loop soft elements, if that is necessary, to use this extension rod. If not, only use the unit. So let's give it a fully charged and then I will test it. Red light is charging. Inside it has 2200 mAh battery, 4 volts. I love that it's lightweight and comes with multiple brass heads. It has enough power to handle tough stains, yet doesn't feel bulky. It's definitely a handy addition if you want to speed up your cleaning routine. If you are fed up with scrubbing stubborn dirt and mold by hand, this brush is a game changer. Its powerful oscillating action, combined with 4 different attachments, from a cone brush for corners to a large flat brush for tiles, makes tedious cleaning jobs simple and fast. It truly frees up your energy for the things that matter. For a small investment, only €22, you can significantly reduce your cleaning effort. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next gadget review or cleaning tool comparison. Thank you so much for watching, stay efficient and I'll see you in the next one.